In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed videos and GIFs into your designs in Figma. This tutorial will walk you through each step with ease and clarity. So whether you're a seasoned designer or a curious beginner, these instructions will guide you perfectly through the process. First, let's head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. If you're not already familiar, Figma is a powerful tool that offers real-time collaboration and design scenario capabilities. Once you're on the Figma website, you're going to need to log in. If you already have an account, simply click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. For those who need to create an account, follow the prompts to get started quickly. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is where all your design files live, and you can navigate to recent projects or create new ones. Now let's dive into the design section of Figma. Click on the design button, which you can find towards the upper menu of your screen. This is where your design canvas is located, and you can open up the file where you'd like to embed your media. Next, we need to access the file menu, so go ahead and click on File in the top menu. This will open up a range of options for managing your design files and layers. Now pay attention here, you'll want to select Place Image. This option allows you to insert media files directly into your design space. However, since we're working with videos and GIFs specifically, we need a little help from a plugin. This is where actions come into play. Move your cursor to Action to bring up a menu that lets you extend the functionality of Figma with various plugins. We'll look specifically for Anima, a plugin that facilitates embedding advanced media types. In the menu, simply type in Anima and you'd see it pop up. Go ahead and select Anima from the list to activate it within your Figma environment. Once you've activated Anima, you can make use of its capabilities to seamlessly embed videos and GIFs. This plugin enhances your project by allowing interactive and animated content to be part of your design. It's a great tool for bringing life and dynamism to your work, making your designs not only more engaging, but also functional for presentations or prototypes. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of embedding videos and GIFs into your Figma designs with Anima. This feature opens up a world of creative possibilities that can make your projects stand out. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore even more advanced features and techniques to enhance your Figma experience. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.